Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add axis titles to your charts in Google Sheets. Whether you're working on a school project, analyzing business data, or just want your charts to look clean and professional, knowing how to label your axes makes your work clearer and way easier to understand. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to add and edit those chart titles, but you'll also understand why it matters, so your charts tell the right story at a glance. Let's dive right in. So let's say you've got your data ready. Maybe you've measured hours studied and the resulting exam score for a group of students. It looks something like this. In one column, you've got the hours studied, and right next to it, the exam scores as percentages. This type of paired data is perfect for a scatter chart, which helps you visualize if there's a relationship. In this case, does studying more hours really improve your test score? First up, you'll want to select your entire data table. You can do this by clicking and dragging from the top left cell all the way down to the bottom right, so you've got both your X and Y data captured, plus those headings at the top. Once you've highlighted your data, head up to the menu bar and click on Insert, then choose Chart. Google Sheets is pretty smart. It usually chooses a chart type for you. But for this kind of data, let's make it a scatter chart. If it doesn't pick the scatter chart automatically, just hop over to the chart editor on the right, click the drop-down for chart type, and scroll down to select Scatter Chart. You'll see your hours of studying now mapped across the bottom and exam scores running up the side. You're already halfway there. Now by default, Google Sheets pulls those column headers and uses them as axis titles, so you might already see hours studied at the bottom, that's your x-axis, and exam score percent running up the left side, that's your y-axis. This is helpful because those labels instantly tell anyone looking at your chart what these numbers actually represent, but maybe you want to customize them a bit, make them more descriptive, fix a typo, or format them just right. Here how you do it: in the chart editor under the Setup tab, you'll see x-axis and series. See those three little dots next to each? They let you control, add, or remove data columns from your axes. But if you just want to adjust the title that shows up, it's even simpler. Click directly on the axis label in your chart, like where it says hours studied or exam score percent. If you double-click on it, it'll turn into an editable text box. Now you can type whatever you want. For example, you could write total hours studied or final exam score percent to make it super specific. If you removed an axis or accidentally deleted something along the way, no worries, just click those three dots in the editor to add your data range back. And if you ever want to switch which data is on the X or Y axis, you can adjust that here too. Adding and tweaking axis titles might sound small, but it makes a huge difference. A clearly labeled chart is like a map with street names, helping your audience understand exactly what they're looking at without guessing. And that's all there is to it. Your chart now has clear, descriptive axes titles, making your data easier to read and more impressive to present. If this helped you, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want more tips, drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Google Sheets tutorials and more ways to make your data shine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.